Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknatharav Khadse Talent English Seminary School, Muktanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss something, a very interesting chapter, and that is Unit 5, poem part. The poem part is the lazy frog. Means what type of lazy he was. By this poem, we can understand. So, without late, we will start the poem. So, the students, so we will start. I will recite the poem first, then I will elaborate one by one. Fred is a very lazy frog who lolls all day up in a log. He always managed to shirk doing a single stroke of work. His poor old mother calls in vain. Come in and help. He does not bother to move 2 inches. Much performing to be extremely hard of hearing. He lies there in a silent heap and stay conveniently asleep. So the students, here the poem is described about a lazy frog, how the lazy frog was acting. Fred is a very lazy frog. There was a lazy frog, one of the frog. His name is Fred. He is very lazy, who lolls all day off on a log. Anytime he lies on any cutting wood. कटिंग वुड मतलब यानी कुछ लकड़ी नीचे पड़े हो, मतलब कहाँ पे भी पड़े होता रहता, उस पर चिपक के वो कभी भी लेटती रहती, कुछ काम नहीं करती, कुछ भी नहीं करती. सो उठ के ऊपर ऐसा आराम से बैठती रहती, सोती रहती, सब कुछ. Doing a single stroke, he always managed to say doing a single stroke of work. कभी करती नहीं थे, कभी ऐसा डुबकी मारती, कभी बाहर आ जाती, कुछ भी काम नहीं करती. फिर वहाँ पे वो जो is lying on a stick. Okay. His poor old mother call him vain, come in and help. He does not bother. But in the middle of the times, his mother used to call him to work something. But he won't do anything. He won't work anything. Simply is sitting or simply is sleeping, something like that. To move 2 inches, hard of much performing, to be extremely hard of hearing. He lies there in listen heap. Means, even if he don't move 2 inches, simply just he is avoiding his mother calling. He is avoiding his mother. He listen very well, but actually he no need to work. He means he don't feel that he will work. He is refusing. He is avoiding his mother calling. He lies there in a silent heap and stay conveniently asleep. He is acting just like sleeping. He never work. He never go when her mother calling. If a lady frog hops past, you'd think he would get off at last to bow and help her on her way. But no, I am hastened to say that when a lady frog comes by, he doesn't often up on eye. Generally, whenever a lady will come, something, just you will see who the lady came, something, isn't it? So, in this way, the poet thought that, okay, when the lady frog will come, definitely he might have moved or definitely he might have see. But that is felt and his thinking is very wrong. When the lady frog came, at that time also he didn't open, even if one eye also he didn't see. So, in this way, the lazy frog always lying on any cutting wood. He never work. He never go when his mother calling to him to work something. He always lying all the day, night, lying on the sticks, just eating and sleeping, eating and sleeping. That's it. He never do anything. He's the very lazy fellow. But you want to be like that, the students? I hope you want to be like that. So you're the hard worker. You can do anything. So you don't be like a lazy frog. You should be like ant, hard worker, isn't it? So I hope you understand these poems very well, and you also read these poems once, twice clearly, and try to identify and try to practice this, and try to understand these poems after watching this video. Okay, so I hope you better understand. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.